How to change default currency on CoinMarketCap. Now, default currency, whether in a form of cryptocurrency or fiat currency refers to real money currency, which is in a real values, right? Now, if you want to change either of those currency values, whether be it for crypto or be it for fiat, you have to just launch the CoinMarketCap app and then just make sure that you're signed into your respective account. Once you're signed into your account, what you have to do is to simply tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Over there you can find the option that says default currencies, so tap the default currencies option. Now in the case of mine, in the fiat currency, mine default currency is set to USD, but you can change this to euros, ALL, DJD, whatever else it is you prefer viewing the currency at. Now for cryptocurrency, go to the crypto tab and set your default cryptocurrency value as well, by the way. So in my case it's set to Bitcoin, but of course you can change it. Once done, you can come back, the changes will be saved automatically, and that's all it takes for us to change a default currency on CoinMarketCap. I hope that this video helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.